अतिथि गीत स्वागत गीत प्रस्तुत किया गया, वाकई में ऐसा झलक रहा था कि सच में हम लोगों के बीच में भगवान ही पधारे हैं। अब हम सब इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने की दिशा में हम अपने विद्यालय के मुख्य अध्यापक श्रीमान के कलकेरी सर से निवेदन करेंगे कि वो आए और दो शब्द बोले।
Sri B. Desai, I am the president of the program on behalf of all the staff and students. Please. I also welcome all the ladies staff of this Vidyalaya and those students of this Vidyalaya, boys, students of this Vidyalaya and all the staff members for this program. Thank you, Ananda.
महिला शिक्षिकाओं से हम आग्रह करेंगे कि वो आए और समूह गीत प्रस्तुत करें।
जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, आज हम वुमेन्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और उसी के उपलक्ष्य में हम आज आपके सामने एक कव्वाली प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। जनरली कहा जाता है कि हर एक कामयाब आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है। वो कोई भी हो सकती है, मम्मी, बहन, उसकी दोस्त या उसकी वाइफ। सेम चीज़ हमारे लिए भी अप्लाई होती है। अगर कोई औरत कामयाब बनती है तो उसके पीछे भी एक आदमी का हाथ हो सकता है। जैसे कि हम सारी लड़कियां आज आपके सामने खड़ी हैं, किसी के पापा ने हेल्प की है, किसी के भाई ने, किसी के दोस्त ने या किसी के हस्बैंड ने। लेकिन आज भी ऐसी कुछ जगह है जहाँ पर लड़कियों को उनके हक और अधिकार नहीं पता। वो बोल सकती है, अपना अपना पॉइंट सबके सामने रख सकती है ये उनको नहीं पता। तो हम जो कव्वाली प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं उससे हमें ये पता चलेगा कि उनकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है और उन प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करना है। थैंक यू।
हाँ सर।
इतिहास बदल देगी। करो विश्वास बेटी पर तो ये विश्वास छू लेगी। कभी जीवन में बेटी को नजरअंदाज मत करना, जरा सा पंख दे दोगे तो ये आकाश छू लेगी, ये आकाश छू लेगी।
बेटे को लवकुश बना सकती है। अरे कमजोरी से मत नापना इनकी ताकत को तुम दोस्त, जिस हाथ में चूड़ियां है ना, कल को ये तलवार भी चला सकती है।
नमस्कार आदरणीय गुरुजन, अतिथिगण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हम ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस मनाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी महिलाओं को हमारी तरफ से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तुम क्या सोच रही हो?
बस यही कि हम महिला दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं।
हम महिला दिवस इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि सन 1908 में 15,000 महिलाओं ने वोटिंग अधिकार की मांग के लिए मार्च निकाला था। एक साल बाद अमेरिका की सोशलिस्ट पार्टी की घोषणा के अनुसार 1909 में यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में पहला राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस 28 फरवरी को मनाया गया और तब से हम हर वर्ष महिला दिवस मनाते हैं।
लेकिन 8 मार्च को ही क्यों?
उस समय रूस में जूलियन कैलेंडर का प्रयोग होता था, जिस दिन महिलाओं ने यह हड़ताल शुरू की थी वह तारीख 23 फरवरी थी। ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर में यह दिन 8 मार्च था। उस दिन के बाद से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस 8 मार्च को मनाया जाता है।
अच्छा, तो अब समझ में आया कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस का मुख्य उद्देश्य महिलाओं के सम्मान और अधिकार के प्रति लोगों को जागृत कराने का है।
हाँ, पर आज ये जोश, ये जश्न, ये जुनून जो उभर आ रहा है, मात्र एक दिन के लिए सीमित नहीं रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हर दिन महिला का दिन है, हर दिन शक्ति का पर्व है, हर दिन उत्सव है उस इंसानियत की जिसकी केंद्र बिंदु है महिला।
यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी महिलाओं के सिर पर उनके पिता का हाथ हमेशा होता है, जो अपने बेटी और बेटे को समान मानते हैं और अपना सब कुछ देकर बस इस आस पर रहते हैं कि उनकी बेटी वो दुख ना सहे जो पिछली पीढ़ी ने सहा था और वो निरंतर उन्नति की ओर बढ़े। अगर हमारे समाज में सभी महिलाओं को इसी तरह एक भाई, एक दोस्त, एक पति या फिर पिता के रूप में सहारा मिले तो शायद ही वो महिला कभी न घबराएगी और अपने साथ पूरे देश को उन्नति की ओर ले जाएगी।
इसीलिए किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है, अगर आप एक पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हो तो आप सिर्फ एक घर को शिक्षित करते हो, अगर आप एक महिला को शिक्षित करते हो तो आप एक पूरी समाज को शिक्षित करते हो।
पिछले कुछ सालों से हम सभी ने यह देखा है कि महिलाएं हर क्षेत्र में उन्नति की ओर बढ़ रही है और उन्हें वो सम्मान मिल रहा है जो पुरुषों को मिलते आ रहा था, और हम आशा करते हैं कि हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी को भी इसी तरह निरंतर सहारा और सम्मान मिले।
अपमान मत करना नारियों का, इनके बल पर तो जग चलता है, पुरुष जन्म लेकर तो इन्हीं के गोद में पलता है।
मैं बेटी हूँ, मैं तितली हूँ, मैं वो चिड़िया हूँ जो बाग से निधर उड़ती हूँ। गगन चुंबे इरादे हैं मेरे, मगर आज भी भरे चौराहे पर नोची जाती हूँ।
ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए हम कुछ पंक्तियों से अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हैं।
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू क्यों हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद को समय की भी तलाश है।
जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़िया समझना इसको वक्त तू, ये बेड़िया निकाल के बना ले इसको शस्त्र तू।
चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरे, ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले ये परीक्षा तेरी।
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है।
जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता की जाल है, तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मिसाल है।
चुनर उड़ा ध्वज बना, गगन भी कांप जाएगा, अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा।
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू क्यों हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को तलाश है,
समय को तलाश है। धन्यवाद।
महिला दिवस के इतिहास को भी बताया और संक्षेप में महिलाओं को कैसे हम आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं उसको भी बताने का प्रयास किया। ये मीरा की अमर भक्ति जहर से मर नहीं सकती, ये झांसी वाली रानी है किसी से डर नहीं सकती। मदर टेरेसा, कल्पना, हो सानिया, मैरी, असंभव क्या है दुनिया में जो नारी कर नहीं सकती, जो नारी कर नहीं सकती।
is empowering humanity. Today we are celebrating International Women's Day. I am extremely glad to be given the opportunity to deliver a speech on this International Women's Day. The International Women's Day is celebrated every year globally on 8th of March. It sheds a light on the great achievements of the women in the various fields. Empowering women is a great responsibility at present. It is a necessity for the gender equality and social dignity. In the olden days, women are confined to the home and were not allowed to step out of the house for work. But today, society has changed a lot of changes. Today, women have started realizing their strength. They are contributing to the success of their home as well as the entire society. Modern woman is no longer independent. She is strong, self-confident. Being a man, we should respect each of them not because of gender, but because of their own identity. We must agree that both men as well as women contribute to the development of a home as well as the community. You can see women reaching the greater heights and even traveling to the space. They are entering into all the fields and making a success everywhere they go. The theme of International Women's Day 2021 is Women in Leadership Achieving Equal Rights in COVID-19 World. It is a day of women are recognized for their achievements without regards to division, whether nation, ethnic, linguistic, culture, economic or political. The father of Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has said that I measure the progress of a community by the degrees of which women have achieved, not by the men. Over to us.
Thank you, Sridhar. Now I am going to highlight the contribution of women in different fields. First, Asima Chatterjee. Asima Chatterjee contributed to organic chemistry was huge. She is known for the development of anti-epileptic drugs, Ayush 56 and anti-malarial drugs along with her research of Vinca alkaloids. She became the second woman to be conferred a doctorate of science by an Indian university based on her research on the chemistry of plant products and synthetic organic chemistry. Second, Hima Das, who is well known as Thing Express. She is the first Indian athlete to win gold at the International Association of Athletic Federation World Under-20 Athletics Championship in 2018, held at Tampere, Finland. Later, she went on to win gold and silver medals at the Asian Games held in Japan. Attitude and a lady with a class. I would conclude my speech with a beautiful quotation to a wonderful mother, an adorable daughter, an affectionate sister, and a caring friend. Every hope, every heart, every feeling, every moment of happiness is incomplete without you. Only you can complete this world. So at last, happy Women's Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Comfortable? Yes, sir. Chief guest of the function, respected principal sir, HM sir, Dr. Krishna sir, members of the staff, I have to mention lady teachers of our school, young teachers, girl students, and boy students of our Vidyalaya. Once again, you know that's why we have gathered here. Today, Vidyalaya is. Our Vidyalaya also has joined with many other institutions of our country in getting the day celebrated, that is International Women's Day. All the speakers, student speakers, I must congratulate you, I must salute you. The speeches delivered by the children, Vaishnavi and Swati, and Varun and one more child, Sridhar. I must clap for the children. Nothing is left to speak about. It has been very well highlighted about the importance of the day importance of the women. Kalkarister, in his welcome speech, he started his welcome speech with a sentence: a place where women is respected, there is guarantee that that place will flourish. And Sridhar also said one sentence related to this. Can anyone tell? Empowerment of women is related to
society.
fill the blank. Empowering the women will lead to the dash.
Society.
There is prosperity, there is progress, and humanity is preserved. That's why I said that the speeches delivered by children are very enlightening. And that religion, or from this language, or from that area, this area. Women of all the area. Varun has told in his speech. Sridhar has told the condition before attaining independence. She was forced to stay in the four walls of the house. When she is there in the home, she has to listen to the orders of the father. No question. Whatever father says, she has to listen. The mental setup was like that during that period. We cannot blame anybody. Huh? But the things were like that. Till before marriage, she has to listen to the parents. Especially father. Whatever father says, she has to listen to. And when she gets married, she has to listen to her husband. So what was the condition? She was there forced to stay in the four walls of the house. What is the work? Taking care of the children, that is rearing of the children, cooking. They say that we are stronger and we are better. So this was the condition. All fundamental rights of the women were snatched, and she was reminded only, your fundamental duty is to cook, your fundamental duty is to clean the house, take care of the children, and don't ask anything else. Male members of the house, they have to eat. If anything is left out, then she will be permitted to eat. This was the condition. Okay, this is the thing which we have seen inside the house. In the society, what was happening? No education was there. She was not permitted. Child marriage. See how each and every step the men prepared such a platform to snatch all the fundamental rights and became responsible for the state what they had during that time. Now you just imagine for some time. Ask him, what else can you do? Yes. You would not have been there in the list of developing country. You would have been there in the list of develop the country. And because of whom still we are there measured under the list of who is responsible? Today also, when she is giving birth, the father is expecting Mubarak ko beti paida hogi. That's what I was telling you. I respect mother, I respect sister, I respect women. Because of women, we know that how girls will take care, how daughters will take care, but still we expect that male child should have taken birth. Any other? आपको भी ऐसा लगता है? अभी से child marriage. See the condition they were facing to do that. Now the two girls of anchors, they said that what they said, how the day began to get celebrated as International Women's Day. Voting powers were snatched from USA. You developed a country. Recently, we have seen what has happened in the parliament. Guns. You know, the other weapons were used. You know, that is a different matter. So that place, voting, the privilege of voting, it was snatched, and they thought that let us come together and ask the government why they have snatched it. Since then, they, yes, what we were telling is right. Why didn't you tell earlier only? Now it has started now. Voting power has been given to them. So they have helped themselves for casting the vote in that period. It means not only in a place like India, women is victimized. Women is victimized across the globe. Think, we have to think. It is not a question of a celebration by having some banner. Women is the girl of. This is the mentality. ये जब तक अपनी ये मानसिकता दूर नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमारा राष्ट्र विकसित पूरी तरह से नहीं होगा। अभी भी है, दूल्हा बिकता है, खरीदोगे? यस, बोली लगाओ इसकी। देखो, man has become a commodity. ये है अपनी मानसिकता। Child marriage was there. Her fate was decided in the cradle itself. फायदा नहीं हो गई कि उसके साथ में कोई दूसरा, दूसरे में शादी नहीं हो गई। The child doesn't know what is happening among the people. And later on, the person with whom she has to marry doesn't know whether he is an educated one, whether he is an employed one. She has to listen to him because आपका पति है, आपका भगवान है। ना लोग अच्छा लगा आपका पति बनने के बाद इसका मुझे एंजॉय करना। आपका पति है, आपका भगवान हो, जैसे बोले वैसे करो। सर्वज्ञ है तू। पति देव सर्वज्ञ है क्या? सब कुछ जानता है। Does he know each and everything? And how he has become? See, this is the masculine nature. Because biologically, somewhat he is stronger than women. है नहीं? आशुतोष लगता है क्या? आशुतोष को देखते तो नहीं लगता है। Biologically, the men are stronger than, and when she intellectually argues, बढ़ गया अच्छे बात को because he doesn't have answer for the question. She intellectually questions him why it is happening so and why you are behaving so. When he doesn't know, because he is not totally literate, he doesn't know how to speak with the women of the family, and when he doesn't have the answer, his ego is hurt, and then he starts vibrations, The child marriage. Later on it comes to sati. Sati प्रथा क्या थी? सोशल साइंस में हमने पढ़ा। सती प्रथा क्या थी? What was सती? सती प्रथा क्या थी? किसी को नहीं पता? पति अगर right, it is getting delayed. Simply you are making me to it is getting delayed. सती प्रथा क्या थी? See, we cannot imagine about that, that part, sati, that when she has lost her spouse, she was made burnt alive along with it. This was the tradition. Sati, child marriage, no education, right? And then somebody started thinking of giving them fundamental rights. Who comes? Jyotiba Phule. with his wife, when they started that, people did not wear that much. They did not wear it. They started throwing all nonsense on them. They said that education is only for the male community and not for the female community. How dare you to start this? But they did not stop. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar from Kolkata, he tried to encourage the widow marriages. Raja Ram Mohan Rai came forward for prevention of sati. So many people have come forward, and then when it comes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, when he presented Hindu Code Bill in the Constitution, in the Parliament, what was that Hindu Code Bill? He was requesting the government of India by then to give an equal share of ancestral property to the daughters as well. Men can go for multi-marriages, but very systematically it has been decided in the Constitution that he can give divorce to one of the spouses if she is suffering from some disease and it cannot be cured. It's not systematically, everything is defined in the Constitution. See, all the efforts which were taken up by these social reformers, did not materialize, but when it came as
बनाने में गुजर गई, दिन की रोशनी ख्वाबों को बनाने में गुजर गई, रात की नींद बच्चों को सुलाने में गुजर गई, जिस घर में उसके नाम की तख्ती भी नहीं है, सारी उम्र उस घर को सजाने में गुजर गई.
It's really nice to be around you, and your cheerfulness, your activity, the activeness is coming to me right now, because every day sitting in the offices, sitting at the desk and working, this is a completely new atmosphere for me, and thank you so much for having me here. So I would like to, congratulate all the women, first of all, for actually having made it in here. That itself shows that you are important. Right? The girls who are sitting here, 9th class, 10th class, why I am wishing you women to stay here. Actually, this was one point that I realized just today in the morning. A very interesting anecdote I would like to share with you. My 4-year-old son, Shaurya, he wishes me Happy Women's Day, Mama, Happy Women's Day, Amma. Amma is Nani in Telugu. Then Dadi, then Atta, and then he wishes his dad. Happy Women's Day, Dad. I said, no, don't wish him. It's only for us. Then my father said that. Look at the greatness of my father. Only because of him I am here actually. He is my inspiration. He is also from the civil services, and only because of him I am here. So now my father said, why shouldn't we be wishing the boys, the men? It is a celebration of the womenhood. Every man should celebrate it. So let him wish his father, and that is why I am wishing all the boys and the men a very happy day. All the speeches, the pankya that your Hindi sir was so beautifully relating to, and your Preetham teacher, I am sure you will all of them relate to only one thing, right? Just respect him. That is all we are asking for. Only just that respect, nothing else. Only when you do that, only when the boys and the men do that, women already have the power within themselves, they already have the sense of responsibilities, the duties, the patience, the hard work, everything is already there within them, it's all inbuilt. Only thing that is needed is a helping hand. A hand which says that, okay, you do come up, you rise up, I am there for you, I am there to support you. And that is exactly what is empowering. Now what I am looking forward to is, nobody has to empower us. somebody who, coming out and empowering us, that we don't need. That is the day that I'm looking forward to. Right now I'm still requesting the men, but I would like to see the power within the women come out itself. Right? We don't need empowering. Empowering means what? Like somebody else is helping you. Somebody else is supporting you to get power. Now you have the power and you can stand up on your own. That is also one day that I would want to look forward to. Right? The group song that our baby teachers had sung, very beautiful point that you have said. Until you voice out what you want, you can't get what you want, right? So for all the women, for all the children here, I would suggest that whatever aspirations you have, whatever the dreams that you have, don't give up. Don't give up. Just because somebody else is not supporting you, you have to show them that I am worth it. I am capable of it. Only then you can come forward, or come up, right? Now I can give my own example in this case. But I have been, I'm not boasting about myself, but I have been a state ranker in ISSA. I am the college topper in my degree, my graduation, which is arts. Out of arts. I am studying on arts. HPC, History, Economics and Civics, History, Political Science and Public Administration in graduation. And then Central University, I was the gold medalist, the topper in history. Central University. After that, because my dad was my inspiration, I always wanted to be a civil servant. But it took me 6 long years to get into services. 6 long years, despite having that academic background, that brilliant academic background. Because civil services takes a different, kind of orientation to crack through. So anybody who's interested in civil services, or you want any kind of guidance, you can always come to me. I'm here in Salem Road in Income Tax Office. So I would be really glad to guide you guys. So the kind of orientation that civils needed, I really didn't have it. So it was only my father and my mother. My mother, despite taking so long, it was almost 28 by the time I got into the services. I was 28 years old. So imagine a mother waiting for so long to get her daughter settled. And they didn't even raise an eyebrow anytime. So it's all thanks to my parents, my mother and father, that I'm here right now in the services. So it's all in the belief that they had that I can try. That is why they were giving me. The only thing that supported them, the page for them was my academic background. So you should show your mettle that you are good enough to get whatever you need. Your strength, your responsibility, your confidence, your passion, everything should be out. So, and clear for your parents and for anybody who is around you, that they will support you in your dream. Right? So until you voice yourself, you can't expect what you want. Now, coming to what Pritam Garu has said, I would again stress on the mentality of the men that it's not just for this day, right? It's not just for this day. This has to continue for a few more days, and a few more months, and a few more years, right? Now, only then can we expect, females can expect a better society for us to live in. Now, here again, as a general inspiration that a quotation that I would want to give you is that choose your inspiration very carefully, right? Now, I would suggest that instead of your real life heroes, so that is what you should see, like, you think of something that actually inspires you in a person. It could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your teacher, your Pritam teacher could be one, right? Or anybody on the, social sciences front or the scientific front or anywhere, or the sports front. And try to emulate the good qualities, right? Not your real life heroes, right? So I think enough of suggestions and in this hot sun. So all of you have a very happy Women's Day and a happy Women's Year, and all the boys have a wonderful day ahead and a happy Women's Day. Thank you.
मनाना है मंच अपनी मानसिकता को बदल करके, ना कि केवल शब्दों से हम सम्मान करते हैं और यदि हम आचरण में नहीं लाते हैं तो आज वुमेन्स डे को मनाने न मनाने का बहुत मतलब नहीं रह जाता है। 2 लाइनें हैं। नारी तुम प्रेम हो, आस्था हो, विश्वास हो, टूटी हुई उम्मीदों की एकमात्र आस है। नारी तुम प्रेम हो, आस्था हो, विश्वास हो, टूटी हुई उम्मीदों
Parmata, IRS Joint Commissioner Income Tax, and also she is a member of our VMC, KV Kalburgi. Honorable teachers and my dear students, a wonderful afternoon to all of you. As we all gathered here today on a special occasion, that is International Women's Day celebration. International Women's Day falls on 8th March every year. It's a day where women are recognized and appreciated for all their hard work and dedication. International Women's Day is a day when women get appreciation for all their hard work and effort to maintain their lives and the lives of others around them. It's a day to show the women in your life how much you care for them and love them. It's a day which is celebrated around the globe with a lot of love and happiness. It is an occasion where you show the women in your life how much their existence means to you. Schools and colleges are getting more and more open to celebrating days like International Women's Day. It's a sign of progress and they are teaching the students to respect and honor women. If schools and colleges don't celebrate this day, students won't learn the importance of Women's Day. Women's Day has become a custom every year now and celebrated for the women around us. The empowerment of women is a great responsibility that all these women need. The world becomes a better place when women don't feel the hardships to exist. For many years, women have faced several difficulties. Earlier, the role of women was limited to honorable chief guest, Srimati Sumita Paramata. She has given wonderful suggestions to all of you how to prepare for civil services, and she extended her hand, cooperating to all of you. Whenever if you are having the doubt, she can clear it. The scenery of the world for women has changed over time and decades. It has mainly happened due to the efforts of all the women in the past. Now there is no space where women are working and excelling at what they are doing. All of you are knowing our Nirmala Sitaraman is the finance ministry. Even the goddess also, all of you are knowing, all the 3 powers are given to, like Lakshmi. Finance department is Lakshmi, and education department Saraswati, and power Parvati. So all of you are knowing all the 3 portfolios of which you are all knowing that is given to ladies only. The scenery of the world of women changed over time and decades. It has mainly happened due to the efforts of all the women. Equal opportunities at work. They are given the freedom to move ahead the opposite gender. Women are running ahead of men and leading their respective companies in the direction of success. The construction that they have towards society has immensely increased. Earlier, they used to limit their contribution by doing household chores. However, now women are contributing to the organization but working through it. They are self-confident and aren't afraid to push all the boundaries required to finish their job. Thank you, one and all, on this auspicious occasion of International Women's Day. Once again, I welcome.
अब अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस समारोह की अध्यक्ष एवं विद्यालय के प्राचार्य श्रीमान बी शेषाई महोदय जी, समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि महोदया मैडम जी, विद्यालय के मुख्याध्यापक श्रीमान कलकेरी जी, विद्वान शिक्षक साथी और छात्र छात्राएं, खुशी की बात है कि पूरे देश में और विदेशों में सभी जगह महिलाओं का जो योगदान है, हर एक राज्य के पीछे, उनकी उन्नति के पीछे, उनके धरोहर के पीछे, ये सब कुछ बहुत समय से जानते हुए भी कुछ कारणवश हम कुछ हद तक कुछ तरफ पीछे रह चुके थे, लेकिन ये मालूम हुआ कि इनके बगैर कुछ नहीं होता है। इसलिए उसे ध्यान में रखते हुए उसे जारी रखने के लिए सभी के मन में उसकी भावना को उजागर करते हुए सभी के प्रति सभी तरफ सभी जगह सभी अवसर पर मान सम्मान की जो भावनाएं हैं उसे जागरूक करते हुए भावनाओं को उजागर करने के उपलक्ष्य में ये दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। इसके उपलक्ष्य पर यहाँ पर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में पधार चुकी हैं मैडम जी महोदया। आपको ये विद्यालय बहुत तहे दिल आपको आभार प्रकट करता है कि महिला दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर आप यहाँ पर पधार सके और अपना अमूल्य समय देकर महिलाओं के महत्व के बारे में अपने यहाँ पर बहुत सारे विषयों पर चर्चा की और बहुत सारे विषयों को यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत किया है। इसलिए विद्यालय हमेशा आपको धन्यवाद अर्पण करता है। और साथ ही साथ हमारे विद्यालय के सक्रिय प्राचार्य जिनके मार्गदर्शन के बगैर कोई भी कार्य सुविचार रूप से संपन्न नहीं होता है, महोदय जी विशेष है महोदय यहाँ पर उपस्थित है, उनका भी हम विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से तहे दिल उनको धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करते हैं। और बहुभाषा के विद्वान श्रीमान प्रीतम कुमार जी बहुत सारे विषयों को यहाँ पर सही ढंग से जैसे मन की भावनाओं को लुभाते हुए बच्चों तक पहुँचाने में जो माहिर है, ऐसे एक विद्वान हमारे प्रीतम सर है, तो उन्होंने भी बहुत कुछ विचार यहाँ पे प्रकट किया है। इसलिए महोदय जी आपका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करते हैं।